Hi, parents. Okay. Uh, Today I would want to discuss about another questions from a lot of parents. They used to ask, yeah, doctor, is plant-based milk good for our autistic children? Okay, so my answer to the question is okay. You see, some researchers are actually exploring dietary changes like plant-based milk to support kids with autism, right? As a lot of studies suggest that certain plant-based milk might be beneficial for the kids with autism, especially when they have dairy, casein, and gluten sensitivity or allergy issue. So this dairy product, casein product, and gluten product actually can cause behavior and digestive problem like tantrums, aggression, sleep difficulty, mood changes, constipations, or diarrhea, bloated abdomen, or indigestion. Okay, so the theory or the science behind it is that these allergens can bind to the opioid receptor and alter the potential pain perceptions, modify behavior, and also disrupting the gut-brain connections. All right. So by removing this potential trigger to the opioid receptor in the brains, so it might help to alleviate some of the symptoms that I discussed just now. So some parents actually reports that once they switch from cow's milk based cow's milk to a plant-based milk product, it shows that the child improved in terms of sleep, better concentration, better attentions, the mood become more stable, less tantrum, less behavior problem, and the most important thing is the constipation or diarrhea actually improved tremendously. All right. So the next thing is when implementing plant-based milk for autism child. Okay, first what you need to do is to consult a doctor. Talk to a pediatrician or dietitian first. All right. Then second thing is always start slow. Okay, try a small amount and see how they react. Sometimes parents to mix. Initially they will mix between the cow's milk and the plant-based milk. Okay, and gradually reduce and stop the cow's milk and continue with the plant-based milk, right? And also monitor for changes, all right? Again, I said the journal is very important. You have to prepare a journal, all right? So track the behavior changes, the digestion changes, and also the energy level once you are implementing plant-based meal, okay? All right. So the third question usually asked by a lot of parents is, Doctor, what are the tips for choosing a plant-based milk for autism? I advise to a lot of parents. So whenever you are actually choosing a plant-based meal, the first thing that you need to do is, okay, read the label. Okay, read the labels. Okay, so what you need to read is one for the sugar. So you must choose a plant-based meal that is low in sugar, uh, and also there's no added sugar, no extra added sugar. Okay, then look for the words this is what we call balanced nutrition. In the label itself, there is balanced nutrition for optimum growth. Okay, so the other thing is look for label like gluten-free, casein-free, dairy-free, lactose-free. The plus point if there is a coloring-free, preservative-free, you know. So then additional point like probiotics, proteins will be a plus point for the brains and gut health. All right. So these are the simple tips, okay, for parents when choosing a plant-based milk for your child. Okay, so I hope it helps. I will see you back in the next episode. Bye.